last Saturday when I did the Q&A, I was asked to do a house tour. Sorry, won't happen for a little while. I'm still working on the other rooms. But Brooke's bedroom is pretty much done. I did a little work in it yesterday. I first removed the rug that was on the floor. Not that I didn't like it anymore, just that it would get stuck in the door and there was no other way to move it around so it would fit. So I'll find a new place for it, and I need to find a new rug for her little tiny bedroom. It's actually really fun because everything fits. It's I think it's 9 feet by 7 feet, something like that. It's actually the smallest room of the house, but she has the balcony and all the light. She's actually lucky because I wanted that room. So in this IKEA cabinet, there's all the colorful toys, all the colorful books. Mr. Potatoes and Miss Potatoes. Okay, I need to clean that up someday. The shelf is also IKEA. It's like a dollhouse and storage at the same time, which I like. This is the poster from Bird Poster. You can see my look. The shelf, I bought these at Rona and I fixed them myself. That was quite an adventure alone. I remember like my back would hurt for a week afterward. This planter is from Simon's. This is Gautier's, her bed is Gautier's Studio. I bought it at La Boutique Chez Nous Chez Vous. So if you remember, her bed was facing the other way, and the bookshelf was in her bed, but at night when she would get mad at me and not wanting to sleep, she would just destroy the leather strap that I fixed. So yesterday I replaced it and decided to make it more functionable. Those little hooks are also IKEA. This is from Field Day Goods, the store. And I love how everything fits in her bedroom. Like this roller fits perfectly with her little desk, so I have all the storage. This is from George and Willie. And in her wardrobe,